Today's video dives into a detailed review of the brand new Beats Pill, a portable Bluetooth speaker that has had its ups and downs in the past, but renewed as premium piece of tech. This review covers its specs, design, usability, battery life, and sound quality, providing a comprehensive look at whether the new Beats Pill speaker is worth your investment. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Alright, let's start off with the specs and pricing of the new Beats Pill. First thing you'll notice is it has gone through a completely new design. It features a racetrack-shaped woofer and a separate tweeter with a two-way crossover. Compared to the Beats Pill Plus, this drivers have 1.9 times more air volume displacement, and the motor force is 28% stronger. The woofer has a 20 degrees upward tilt for improved on-axis listening, and this speaker can play back lossless audio via cable at up to 48 kHz and 24-bit, ensuring top-notch audio quality. The battery life is impressive, promising up to 24 hours of continuous listening, and a quick 10-minute charge provides an extra 2 hours of playback. And that's not all. It comes with IP67 dust and water resistance, Bluetooth 5.3, and multi-point pairing for Android, covering most bases for a good portable Bluetooth speaker. It also supports one-touch pairing and Find My device for both iOS and Android, and this is available for $150 in matte black, champagne gold, and a striking red colors. Moving on to the design and build quality, the Beats Pill weighs 681 grams, giving it a substantial but manageable heft. It's roughly the same height as most headphone cases, making it easy to toss into your bag. The included color-matched lanyard is a nice touch, allowing you to hang it up if needed, and the silicone finish helps to resist smudges and fingerprints well. It's robust, waterproof, and dustproof, making it a durable companion for various settings. The overall design is sleek and modern, embodying the typical Beats aesthetic without being overly flashy, making it an easy gadget to live with, and that's crucial for a portable speaker. When it comes to the design, it's as modern and functional, and the physical buttons feel smooth and reliable. They're essential for easy use, especially on audio devices, and the only gripe they have is with the power button, which also serves as the Bluetooth button. You have to hold it for about 0.8 seconds to turn it on, but if you hold it too long, you enter Bluetooth pairing mode. It's a minor inconvenience, and we hope that you will get used to it. The dedicated volume buttons and a center button for play controls work well and are conveniently placed. Overall, the button layout is intuitive, making the speaker more user-friendly. Moving on to the battery life and additional features, the battery life is a standout feature of the Beats Pill, because the 24-hour battery life is perfect for all-day use, and the 10-minute quick charge that gives you 2 hours of playback is incredibly handy. As an additional feature, you can also use it as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices. It smartly recognizes what you're charging and adjusts accordingly. If you're charging a phone, it knows to supply power, but if you're charging something bigger like a laptop, it adjusts to draw power instead. You can manually reverse the charging by pressing the power button 3 times. Checking the battery level is simple. Just press the power button once, and it flashes green, amber, or red. You also get battery notifications on your phone as well. Now, let's delve into the most important part of this review, the sound quality. Well, sound quality is where the Beats Pill really shines, and the tagline "seriously loud" is not a joke. In a market saturated with loud Bluetooth speakers, the Beats Pill holds its own. It's not meant for large houses or massive spaces, but for regular-sized homes, gardens, beaches, and barbecues, it's more than adequate. It delivers a balanced sound that handles most music genres well. The only issue that we found was some distortion with bass-heavy dance music at high volumes. This is a common issue with smaller Bluetooth speakers due to their size limitations. The driver and woofer can only do so much, and unfortunately, there's no EQ to adjust the sound, so you get what you get. However, the sound quality is still impressive. You can also connect your phone via USB for lossless audio playback, although most users probably won't utilize this feature. You can also pair 2 Beats Pills together for either mono playback for a louder sound or stereo mode for true stereo sound. Additionally, it also accepts phone calls and supports voice assistants, functioning much like a pair of headphones. As my final thoughts on the Beats Pill, at just under $150, it's not the cheapest Bluetooth speaker out there. But as a Beats product, a bit of a premium quality can be expected. In return, you get excellent build quality, a stylish design, and impressive sound. It's loud enough for most situations you'd use it in, and the included lanyard adds a touch of convenience. This is a speaker you'll want to take everywhere with you, and it's portable, durable, and has that desirable factor that makes you feel like you've made a worthy investment. While there are other options from brands like JBL and Soundcore, if you're a Beats fan or looking for something new, the Beats Pill is worth considering. And that wraps up the review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the reviewer's thoughts on the new Beats Solo Buds earbuds, linked here. Thanks for watching.